5 common mistakes digital creators make and how to avoid them. Hey there fellow creators, my name is Blessing from Digital Creators Hub. As a digital content creator, I know how exciting and challenging it can be to create content for the online world. However, the excitement also comes with the possibility of making mistakes, especially if you are new to the game. Come closer. I have made fair share of mistakes and I'm here to share my experience. In this video, I will discuss 5 common mistakes digital creators make and most importantly, how to avoid them. Whether you are a YouTuber, a blogger or social media influencer, this video will provide valuable insight to help you create better content, engage with your audience and grow your brand. So if you are ready to take your content creation to the next level, let's dive into these common mistakes and learn them. Consistency is crucial in digital content creation, and it's a common mistake that many creators need to pay attention to. Consistency refers to regularly producing high-quality content at a set frequency when creating content for the digital space. The importance of consistency cannot be overemphasized, as it keeps your audience engaged, builds trust, and strengthens your brand. One common mistake many digital creators make is inconsistent content schedules. Posting content sporadically can confuse your audience and lead to a drop in engagements. Your audience may lose interest or forget about your content without a set schedule. On the other hand, maintaining a consistent schedule keeps your audience anticipating your content and coming back for more. Another common mistake related to lack of consistency is not adhering to a cohesive visual style. Your audience should be able to recognize your content at a glance, and a consistent visual style can help with that. This includes using the same fonts, color scheme, and overall aesthetics across your digital platforms. However, if your visuals are everywhere, your audience needs more engagement and growth to connect your content to your brand. Creating a content calendar and sticking to it to improve consistency in your digital creation is essential. Determine a realistic schedule to maintain consistency and plan your content. Additionally, establishing a cohesive visual style is crucial for consistency. Take the time to create a brand guide that outlines your visual style and consistently use it across all your digital platforms. Another tip to improve consistency is to repurpose content. Instead of starting from scratch every time, consider repurposing old content by updating it or presenting it in a different format. This can save time while still providing your audience with valuable content. Furthermore, as a digital creator, it's easy to fall into the trap of focusing on quantity over quality. We often get so caught in creating more content that we skip the vital aspect of producing high-quality content that truly resonates with our audience. In this segment, I will discuss the importance of quality in digital creation, common mistakes related to focusing on quantity over quality, and some tips to help you prioritize quality over quantity. First and foremost, quality should always be a top priority for digital creators. Your audience is looking for valuable and informative, engaging content. Suppose you focus solely on creating a high content volume without making it high quality. In that case, your audience will quickly lose interest and move on to other creators who are creating more valuable content. A subtle mistake digital creators make is creating content for the sake of creating content. They may feel pressure to post multiple times a day or week to keep up with the latest trends or stay relevant, but in doing so, they sacrifice the quality of their content. This can result in a decrease in engagement, lower retention rates, and ultimately a decrease in followers. To prioritize quality over quantity, carefully planning your content is essential. Take the time to research your audience and your audience's utmost interest and create content that truly resonates with them. Instead of producing a high volume of content, focus on creating a few pieces of content each week that is well researched, informative, and engaging. You should also edit and refine your content before posting it. This includes checking for grammatical errors, ensuring your content is visually appealing, and providing value to your audience. Additionally, it's crucial to understand the importance of search engine optimization in your content creation. Neglecting SEO can lead to low visibility and less traffic to your website or social media platforms. I'll highlight the common mistakes related to search engine optimization and provide tips on improving them. Search engine optimization is optimizing your content to rank higher in search engine research pages. It's a vital aspect of digital content creation because it helps users find your content and increasing their chances of engagement with your content. However, without proper optimization, your content may not appear in relevant search results. limiting its visibility and reach. Digital creators often make the mistake of neglecting to research relevant keywords and including them in their content. Keywords are the terms or phrases that users search for when looking for content online. Including relevant keywords in your content increases its chances of appearing in results searches. Another area for improvement is to optimize your content's metadata, including titles, descriptions, and tags. Metadata provides search engines with information about your content, helping them better understand its relevance to user search queries. Neglecting to optimize your metadata can limit your content visibility in search results. So, to improve your SEO, start by researching relevant keywords and naturally including them in your content. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find popular and relevant keywords for your content. Optimize your content's metadata by including descriptive and engaging titles, descriptions, and tags that accurately reflect the content. Use your primary keyword in your title and description to increase its relevance in search results. In addition, focus on creating high-quality and engaging content that provides value to your audience. Search engines prioritize content that meets user needs and provides valuable information. Therefore, creating high-quality content increases your chances of ranking higher in search results and driving more traffic to your website or social media platforms. Have you ever poured your heart and soul into a digital content project only to receive lobster results? You are not alone. Many digital creators need to pay more attention to analytics, one of the most critical components of digital content creation. In this section, I will discuss the importance of analytics in digital content creation, common mistakes related to ignoring analytics, and tips to help you avoid these mistakes. Analytics are the bread and butter of digital content creation. It allows you to track the performance of your digital content, identify what's working and what's not, and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategy. Without analytics, you are blindly creating content without any insight into its performance. Neglecting to track analytics is a common mistake digital creators make. They may create content without clear goals or objectives, leading to subpar or poor results. With tracking analytics, they can know what's working and what's not, making it easier to adjust their strategy for better results. Unfortunately, this can lead to wasted time, effort, and resources. Another mistake is relying on vanity metrics such as likes, shares, and views without understanding their impact on your overall goals. These metrics may look impressive, but only sometimes translate into meaningful engagement or conversations. Ignoring deeper metrics such as bounce rate, time on page, and conversion rates can lead to a skewed perception of your digital content success. Making analytics a core component of your digital content strategy is crucial to avoid these mistakes. Set clear goals and KPIs for your content, and regularly track and analyze your analytics to measure your progress toward these goals. Understand the metrics that matter most to your specific goals, and focus on optimizing these metrics for better results. Ignoring analytics can be a fatal mistake for digital creators. On the other hand, analytics is essential to gain insight into your audience behavior, measure your success, and make data-driven decisions for your digital strategy. By avoiding these common mistakes and prioritizing analytics, you can create content that resonates with your audience and drives meaningful engagement and conversations. Poor time management is the last but not most minor mistake digital creators make. As a digital creator, it's easy to get carried away with your projects, and you need to remember about time management, which can negatively impact your productivity, creativity, and ultimately your success. Digital creators often make the mistake of failing to set clear and realistic goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to get lost in your work and spend too much time on tasks that aren't essential to achieving your objectives. This can lead to burnout and a lack of motivation. To avoid this, take the time to set specific, measurable, and time-bound goals that align with your overall vision. It's essential to prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. You can achieve this by creating a to-do list and scheduling tasks for the day or week ahead. In addition, consider using time tracking tools to monitor your time on each task and identify any areas where you may be wasting time. Procrastination is also a common issue among digital creators. It's easy to get distracted by social media, emails, or other non-essential tasks, delaying completing your work. To overcome procrastination, consider breaking down your tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces and setting deadlines for each. You can also use productivity tools like Pomodoro technique, which involves working for a set period and taking short breaks at some points. Unfortunately, digital creators often fail to take breaks and rest. While it may seem counterintuitive, taking breaks and allowing yourself time to recharge can increase your productivity and creativity. Consider scheduling regular break time throughout your day, working outside, or practicing mindfulness and meditation to help you stay focused and energized. Poor time management can be a significant hindrance to digital creators. However, by setting clear goals, using time effectively, overcoming procrastination, and taking breaks, you can maximize your productivity and creativity and ultimately achieve success in your digital creations. I hope you have gained valuable insight from the 5 common mistakes digital creators make and how to avoid them. Remember, success in digital content creation is not just about the talent or luck, but also about making informed decisions and taking intentional actions toward your goals. It is essential to prioritize quality over quantity, focus on consistency, and leverage analytics to make data-driven decisions. Finally, remember the importance of SEO and proper time management to ensure you make the most of your creative efforts. Ultimately, the journey to becoming a successful digital creator is a continuous process of learning and improving. So keep experimenting, keep creating, and never stop growing. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your digital creation journey.